Now what is going to keep you in motivation? I want all of you to understand. You think thought leads you to action. Yes, thought leads to action. Between thought and action, lot of people want to be motivated, right? But motivation for many people is based on emotion. So for you to have massive action, you need a thought, and thought and action you need motivation. And motivation is based on what? It's based on emotion. And if it's based on emotion, it will be like London weather. Emotions are like London weather. One day it will rain, one day it will shine, one day it will become so. Every day, every moment changing. When I say get up at 5 o'clock, lot of people are at the emotions say, why get up at 5 o'clock? I can get up later. Because lot of actions are based on emotion. Right now, please see, motivation cannot be based on emotion. Motivation should be based on discipline. Not on emotion, sir. It should be based on discipline. So if you want an action, massive action should be based on discipline. So keep this into perspective. So when you keep this into perspective, now what is the resistance which is happening? What is the resistance that is happening? You find you want it immediately happening. Can be a resistance. Or the resistance can be, I don't think I am lucky to make it happen. Or you have a belief, in Kannada they say, huttudu guna sutre hogala. What you are born with, even you burn, you not go. So you keep this. No, those are the internal blocks which happens to you. So regret, resentment, your righteousness are the real block. Don't have regret, resentment, righteousness. Come from a discipline. I can and believe small actions gives you massive results, sir. So don't operate from regrets. You might have failed many times. No resentment, and don't be stuck to righteousness. Alright, if you drop all that, then you will find, you will go and you should enjoy your actions. No, one day you may not be successful. 5 o'clock you have to get up. One day you will not be get up 5 o'clock. Don't hit yourself badly. Don't hit yourself badly one day you're not. Don't hit yourself badly. Today I have failed, but tomorrow I am going to bounce back. That's why in atomic change is called the democracy of the self. Please understand, the democracy of the self is what? The Prime Minister has become the Prime Minister. Everybody has not voted to the Prime Minister. The democracy of majority would have worked. Lot of people wouldn't have voted. So too in our success, every day may not be a success. There are some failures which will happen, but the majority of success gives you success.